ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Mohammad Azad. I belong to Dharnagar. Nowadays, I am living here. I am a student of Global. I am learning English from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to tell about what is time, what is value. Without starting anything, I would like to thank my respected teachers and my dear friend who gave me a good chance to speak in front of you. Everyone knows that about what is value of time. What is value of time? I would like to ask only one question. What is different between successful person and unsuccessful person? What is it? Everyone knows? What is it? Successful person are waste time in waste time. Are waste time, our time invest, no best. But unsuccessful person, best our time, no invest. So today I would like to tell about some point. What is value of time? That idioms is very famous. Respect your time today, the time will respect you tomorrow. Respect your time today, the time will respect you tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes. It is very famous. So many students here present. So only I would like to ask only one question. Why are you sitting here? So you will speak. I am sitting here only one reason. I am sitting here to learn something. I am sitting here to learn something. But many students here present only listening wise. That person how will he speak? How will he speak? That person how will he speak? So I would like to tell you should not sit here only listen. Rather you should sit here only understand. Today, if you wanna ask what is value of time, only 1 minute. So you ask that person whose person missed train, has missed train. If you wanna ask what is value of time, only 1 year. So ask whose person that person has failed in himself. If you wanna ask what is value of 1 week, what is value of 1 second, so you will have to ask that person whose person missed has train. Okay, now.
अगर आप अपना उज्जवल भविष्य बनाना चाहते हैं तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए आप आज ही आइए, कल पर मत डालिए। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की, नए बैच के लिए एडमिशन ओपन हो चुका है। अगर हमारा पता है
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में। हमारे ब्रांच है सर्वोदय इंटर कॉलेज के सामने मछवारा मोड़ घोसी जिला मऊ। हमारी दूसरी ब्रांच है मधुबन रोड पुराना नवजीवन हॉस्पिटल के बगल में घोसी जिला मऊ। हमारी तीसरी ब्रांच है HDFC बैंक के